Okay, everybody, great to meet you. I'm Henrik from University of Southern Denmark, and I'm here to do a presentation about the exchange opportunities that you actually have at our university. I represent the Faculty of Engineering, so if you're interested in innovation, engineering, and management, I urge you to listen carefully. So the options that we have available for you in University of Southern Denmark is ordinary exchange semesters where you come and follow courses. We have a free summer school in August, and we also have the possibility to come and stay and be a part of a research group for a period. Just a few facts, not a lot because we don't have a lot of time, but we have 7 international bachelors, 10 international masters, and we have 17 exchange program. I claim that we are one of maybe the most international university in Denmark. We have 4,000 students. We are part of a large university of 30,000 students. We have 500 international students. We have 300 international engineering subjects. And what I hear from the students that join us, because we have a lot of students coming in for exchange, they say that we have a fun, involving, and efficient learning. And also our facilities are really amazing because everything is basically brand new. We have 2 campuses where you can study. We have the campus in Sønderborg, and what's really great there is that half of the students are actually international students. So if you really want to be a part of an international environment, it's a place to study. But also, of course, if you are interested in the fields of mechanical engineering, mechatronics, robotics, innovation, and entrepreneurship, and electronics. Also there, it's really, really great. It's a waterfront location, and the facilities are basically amazing and very well equipped to do the teamwork and work together, as most of our students always do. We also have a campus in the middle of Denmark, which is a great place if you want to explore Denmark and the north in general. What you can find there is, first of all, outstanding facilities and a really lot of opportunities if you want to do exchange. You can see at the right side all the subject areas available, and within these areas there are plenty of courses for you to choose. The facilities are great. Indoor, it looks amazing. There's a lot of space for working together in groups. We have our own airport for the drone activities. We have Industry 4.0 lab and many more labs. So it's an amazing place actually. So if you consider to go to Denmark and to University of Southern Denmark, we can offer you 4 options actually. And as I mentioned before, the ordinary exchange semesters and your semesters, they follow the semesters we have here. So no problem there. You can make your final thesis, you can take courses, do projects. We also have something called flexible projects where you can come in groups and you can team together with maybe one of our classes and do different activities together. And then we have the Join a Research program, which is basically exchange for master students that has the possibility to join one of the outstanding research groups that we have and can stay there for a flexible period. So this is actually 100% flexible in terms of the start and also the period where you're going to stay there. We have a summer school, which is in August, which is short courses. It's 5 ECTS. So the exchange semesters, as mentioned before, it's fun, informal, and active learning. There's plenty of courses to choose from, and I know when I advise my own students to go that it's always a problem about finding the right courses, and here's plenty to choose from. And what's also really nice for you is that it's easy on the webpage to find the information you need. I know it can be a struggle also to find it, but here you can just click and you get the course information, and later on you even also get the time schedule just by clicking at a course. We are really flexible towards that you can design your own flexible study path. And that's because we give you access to most of the courses, actually. There's only a few courses which you can access only with specific qualifications. Also, another nice thing is that you can join the classes when you come here, and you can see if it actually fits your curriculum or your interest, and then you can change the courses afterwards. And you also have the possibility to follow courses at different faculties. Flexible projects. We have had groups of students coming from Holland before, and they join up with the classes in Denmark, and they do a lot of academic activities, but also a lot of fun. It's brand new. I think we are front runners in the world actually with this setup. So what we can actually offer you if you're a master student and you want to do a research within Exchange, you can find the formalized Exchange research programs. And you can see, for example, the first one here is experimental architecture. So if that's your interest, you have the possibility to come and be a part of that group. And you can come for the period where you want to be here, actually. The flexible length and start is great. It depends on these tests that you will actually gain from it, depends on the lengths that you're here. It's normally 1.5 each test per week. You will have exams, you will have a grading, so you can actually transfer your credits back home. Summer school, 2 weeks in August. There's a lot of learning going on. It's 5 each test, and there's a lot of technical courses. There's 20 plus courses, and there's also a lot of students, both Danish students, but also students from all over the world. And not this year because of Corona, but the year before we had 30 plus different countries represented. It's both for bachelor and master, and we provide you with accommodation if you want that. And the summer school itself is for free, and you can see all the subjects that is mentioned here at the right side. So 5 each tests in 2 weeks, and you can even combine it with the exchange. So that's great. We guarantee accommodation if you want that, and the living cost is 600 to 700 euro per month. We make sure that you have a Danish body that can pick you up the day you arrive and show you just some of the practical matters. And we don't demand any TOEFL or IELTS, so you don't have to deal with that. We are one of the top 1.5 universities in the world, and we are number 28 in the best teaching in Europe. The teaching approach is applied science, which means that it's problem-based learning, and we try to involve the students, and we also involve the society around us, which means that we have a really, really great contact to the companies that are close to our university. If you're not studying, we also have great facilities. We have indoor swimming pool with a lot of water sports. We have an amazing fitness center. We have an on-campus football team, and we have the world's best outdoor flexible sports facility. So I would say, why not come and visit the happy country? You know, Denmark was announced to be the most happy country in the world 3 times during the last 5 years. So you will be very welcome here. Thank you very much.